Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, Love Simple Things. So guys, come along with me. I'm gonna season up some lamb. Alright guys, come along. So yes guys, this is the lamb washed in vinegar. So I wash my lamb in vinegar, soak my lamb in vinegar for about 15 minutes and then, or less, you could do less. And then I wash it down good and wash it 2 times. So now I'm gonna add some tomato, some scallions, some sweet pepper, some ginger, and some garlic. And also some green tomato. I get green tomato is very nice. So that's it. All the seasoning. Onion, garlic, scallion, green tomato, ripe tomato, ginger, and garlic. And I'm gonna add some powder seasoning. So now I'm gonna add some thyme, thyme, some paprika, garlic powder, allspice. Guys, I'm from Jamaica, so I'm gonna season my stuff the way Jamaicans season their stuff. That's unsalted seasoning powder and some garlic powder. And so now I'm gonna put some Jamaican jerk seasoning. I'm not putting a lot. And then I'm gonna just rub everything in as using my hand and rub everything in. Yes guys, so that's it. Oh, I forget to put some Maggi seasoning, so I'm gonna put some Maggi seasoning. Maggi seasoning, guys. Maggi seasoning. So yeah, I'm putting Maggi seasoning. I'm not putting salt because the Maggi seasoning already have salt. So we don't need no more salt. So guys, I'm gonna rub this in. And later I'm gonna put some browning. I don't know if you know what browning is, but you're gonna put some browning later. Just I'm seasoning up this meat for my daughter, this lamb for my daughter. So I don't know how she wants it, if she wants it browning. So I'm gonna leave the browning for her to put in herself. Jerk sauce, jerk seasoning, guys. Yes, guys, so there it goes. All the seasoning rub in. So I'm just gonna cover this up. And then later, my daughter gonna cook it according to how she wants it. So guys, that's how I season up some lamb. This is the first time I'm seasoning up lamb. Because I don't eat lamb, but my children eat lamb. So this is it. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. Guys, you could put some browning on this also. But I'm not going to put the browning. I'll left that for my daughter to do. Thank you. Have a good one. Catch you later.